What is going on in the crypto market? We're seeing the graph tanking, we're seeing Ethereum tanking, we're seeing Bitcoin crashing down. What is going on? We're going to go over that and more in this video. But before we get to it, make sure you smash that like button to stay up to date on the latest in the crypto space. So jumping right into it, we're checking out the graph. Okay, so what's going on? We're going to step back and look at what exactly is going on. I just want to show you from my perspective what's going on. I've been calling for a lower price of the graph for a while. I know it's an unpopular opinion. People disagree. They don't want to hear it. But guess what? Let's just start from the beginning. With the Coinbase listing with a massive parabolic move. I mean, literally went from 10 cents all the way up to 80 cents at the 81 cents at the very peak. Crazy, right? Then we smack down. Oh, we're going back up, right? Nope. Smacking back down. Going back up. Nope. So watch what we did. We made a lower high, lower low, another lower high, another lower low, then we made another lower high, and now we're making a lower low. So this pattern will only repeat so many times. Eventually, we're going to end up making higher lows and higher highs. So one of these times, it's going to be a great time to buy. But how low are we going to go right now? Zooming in just a little bit more, as we can see, we're literally at the lowest right now. I mean, 27.7 cents. But how much lower are we going to go? I see with these wicks on these dailies, we fell down here. But I mean, we have the body right here right now. Yes, the body has, this is a 4-hour candle. So the body has approximately 2 hours and 20 minutes. But look, it's all been falling down to here. And once we break this right here, 27.7 cents, things are not going to look that good. I expect further price action to the downside. And when we look left, it looks like we might find some support right there at around the 25-cent region, somewhere in there, 25 cents, 25.5 cents. We'll find some support. So maybe we'll fall back down and bounce off it. Who knows? Only time will tell for sure. Because when we zoom out and we just go just look at the whole altcoin market, you're checking out DNT. I mean, things are not looking good at all. The entire market's down. Everything you see here is red. Everything is red. DNT went from 20 cents all the way down to now it's at 8.9 cents. Not looking good. I mean, it's not even just the altcoins. You check out Bitcoin. Oops, that's the futures. Wrong thing. Bitcoin is down at $33,000. Look at that. Went from an open of 38,000 as low as 32,000. And then now look. 33,000. Things are just looking kind of scary, right? Ethereum, once again, same thing. Opened at around $12.50, and when it's low is around $1,000. Things look scary, right? You know, the graphs, everything's falling. All coins are falling. I thought the crypto homie said alt season's on its way. Guess what? Alt season is on its way. In the 2017, there was numerous 30+% corrections. We haven't even seen a single 30+ correction yet. Okay. This is not a 30+ correction, because if we go to Bitcoin, not the futures, let's make a measured move. So measure from the top here, measuring down to low. So far, we've only dropped about 23%. So that doesn't count. This is completely normal. Just like with this previous move here, if you want to count from the wick to wick, we can do that. Still 20%. See, this stuff is normal for the bull market. It scares people away. But guess what? This gives you an amazing opportunity to buy the graph on the dip. Be buying this thing on a great price, because when this thing finally breaks through 80 cents, I mean, we're talking $1, you're talking $2, $3 it's going to go to. Crazy gains right there. And if you can buy below 30 cents, that is such an amazing buy. So you just have to keep in mind. I showed you DNT, how it has a massive crash right now. But keep in mind though, this is a short-lived crash. Things are going to go back up. It just takes some time. Alt season, we're in pre-season right now. Alt season's coming, and it's looking great in my humble opinion. It's going to happen in 2021. So that's my little wrap about the GRT, Ethereum, Bitcoin. I just want to show you some news about the graph. We have the graph on Twitter. They tweeted out, we need freedom of speech and expression, and we need decentralized curation to ensure that the best ideas rise to the top. Web3 is coming, light and liberty can exist. Basically mentioning, hey, graph's going to be Web3. Graph is going to be that. it's going to be the Google. It's going to be more than just the Google blockchain. So I really do believe like the graph has such major potential to be such a big deal in this bull market. You just got to be patient. You cannot get caught up in this day-to-day action where things are crashing down. So just hang in there. And something I tweeted out, are you buying this dip? Bitcoin is on sale because it's literally on fire. And altcoins are on sale before the alt season 2021. What altcoins are you picking up on this lovely dip today? Because there's so many great deals out there. You got DNT down at 9 cents. You got H-bars back down at 4 cents. I mean, loop rings back down at 30 cents. People were freaking out when it was hitting 62 cents. It's literally 50% off. What a massive deal. Same thing with Orchid. It's at 25 cents. People are freaking out when it hit $1. 75% off. Keep that in mind. I mean, even with Bitcoin, it's still such a great deal. It was 40, like almost 42,000. Now you can get it for 33,000. Come on, what a steal. Link, $14. Things are just looking great. Great buys. XRP, 28 cents. Definitely a good buy. Helium back at $1.32. Once again, a solid buy. These all have long-term potential. OMG Network down at $3. This thing can easily hit 40 bucks in a couple months. I mean, things are going to go nuts with alt season. It's just exciting. It makes me so excited. I still think Filecoin is a really big under the radar coin. Currently only at $21.50. I think this thing's going to make big moves in 2021. I really do believe that. I bought some and I'm ready for it to happen. This thing's going to be like a big deal. Get ready for that. And something else I wanted to bring up was fear and greed. We haven't talked about that a lot recently. Just wanted to show you that, so today we're at extreme greed 90, still with this massive correction, still extreme greed. Yesterday was 94, last week 94, and last month 94. So we're still in extreme greed. We scroll down the chart, we're still extreme greed. I expect us to hang up here for just a little bit longer, another probably month or so. But hey, only time will tell for sure. Something else I wanted to remind you out there is that with the NVT and HV, go back to the weekly. As you can see, it stayed red for the NVT, but it went down. And we did have a sharp push up here. So it's red and down, and then look, it also had that just indicated what was going to happen to the price. I mean, it's good that it didn't go to that white color. It didn't go to this color, because if it did that, then we see the even stronger correction. But at the end of the day, though, I mean, we're so early in this bull market that things are just looking great. If this scares you, if you can't sleep at night, you must be one, over invested, or you don't know what you're invested in, or you just don't even know what you're doing. You got to make a plan and execute it. Just do it, and don't freak out like when these things happen. The market wants your money, and right now it's taking some of your money. It's taking some of your money, and you got to be able to that's why they created that term HODL, HODL, hold on for dear life. So just HODL. Watch the greed, still very greedy. We're still up there at extreme greed, so watch out. We could see some further price action to the downside. But just keep in mind, especially with like the graph, these things are great buying opportunities right now. So just hang in there and we'll see what happens. So that's a wrap for today's video. I want to thank you so much for tuning in today. Make sure you smash that like button, subscribe for more content. Until next time, because the Crypto Homie is here for your non-financial advice, just pure entertainment, educational purposes only. And until next time, I'll see you in the next one.